Alright, so you keep hearing about generative AI and you're wondering, what exactly is it and why is everyone so hyped? Let's break it down step by step. Generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that doesn't just analyze data, it actually creates new content. I'm talking about images, music, even code and entire stories, stuff that never existed before. It does this by learning from tons of examples, finding patterns, and then creating something new that fits those patterns. Think of it like a super-powered remix artist for the digital age. Here's how it works. First, generative AI models need training. Imagine you feed a neural network thousands, sometimes millions of cat pictures. The AI learns what makes a cat fur, ears, whiskers, the works. Once trained, it can generate entirely new cat images that look real but don't actually exist. That's the magic behind popular tools like DALL-E and Midjourney for images or ChatGPT for text. But it's not just about pictures and words. Generative AI is shaking up code too. Tools like GitHub Copilot can actually help you write code, suggesting functions, fixing bugs, and sometimes even building whole apps from a prompt. In music, there's AI composing unique tracks, and in video, creating scenes and effects that would have taken a whole studio weeks to produce. So, why does this matter? For starters, it's supercharging creativity. Artists, developers, marketers, even scientists are using generative AI to brainstorm, prototype, and build faster than ever. It's not here to replace people, but to amplify what we can do. Of course, there are challenges too, like deepfakes, copyright issues, and the need for ethical guidelines. If you're a tech enthusiast, now's the time to dive in. Start by playing with free tools. Try generating an image from a prompt or see what code Copilot can write for you. Want to go deeper? Check out the open source models like Stable Diffusion or experiment with APIs from companies like OpenAI or Google. The more you experiment, the more you'll understand the potential and the pitfalls of this technology. So that's a whirlwind tour of generative AI, what it is, how it works, and why it matters. Whether you're building apps, designing art, or just curious about the next wave in tech, generative AI is something you'll want to keep an eye on. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay ahead of the curve.